When do you know when to pivot, and when do you know like you're almost there, you need just more resolve?
Well, one of them is when the customer has spoken. Nobody's interested. That's a clear signal that you're going down the wrong path. And for those of you wanting to start companies, I will give you a hint. There's unlimited type of demand for a product you have not built. So the simple question, if I build it, will you buy it? That is the wrong question. Because people will always buy a product that doesn't exist. You have to understand their second-order issues in their business, why they might, why they may not. So just take that as a lesson. But first of all is when the customer speaks. And second, when you are trading the short term for the long term, that is time for you to reconsider your strategy. Now, clearly, you've got to survive. You have to work for tomorrow. Think when she needed iPads, she needed to get through the next day, the next month. Assuming you have some resources you can last. The only true north in running a business is what's the best thing for the business over the long term. And so if you find yourself making suboptimal short-term decisions that you're going to pay for the long term, it's time for you to pivot a little bit. Maybe not 180, maybe not 90 or 180, but at least 10, 15. But everything else, you want to continue to pound and press because very few companies, I can't think of any, that have had clear sailing. My partner, Mike Moritz, 2 or 3 years into the Google investment, came to Sequoia and said, we've never paid so much for so little. It shows you how fortunes of a company can change. And so it is the founder, it is you, that are going to zigzag based on new data point, market condition, your learnings. But when the customer speaks, and there's nothing there, then you want to pivot fast.